When most people think of Khmer New Year in Cambodia, their mind jumps straight to wild water fights and powder-covered streets. And yes, that part is incredible fun, but there's so much more to this beautiful celebration. It's April in Cambodia, and the riverside in Siem Reap has come alive like never before. As part of the Khmer New Year celebrations, we are witnessing a magical display of tradition and festivity. On the water, ornate Khmer boats glide gracefully upriver, rowed in unison by teams dressed in vibrant outfits. On the far bank, you'll spot traditional dancers and singers giving soulful performances that echo Cambodia's rich cultural heritage. But that's not all, because just steps away the air is thick with the smell of sizzling street food. Dozens of food stalls line the riverwalks, serving everything from grilled meats to sweet treats. And of course, we had to stop and grab some delicious waffles, crispy on the outside, soft in the middle, and cooked right before our eyes. This is Khmer New Year in Siem Reap, and it's absolutely unforgettable. Stick around to experience it all. Boats, music, culture, food, and that incredible New Year energy that only Cambodia can offer. So, there you have it. Khmer New Year in Siem Reap isn't just about water fights and fun. It's a vibrant cultural celebration filled with ancient traditions, beautiful music, ornate river parades, and of course, amazing Cambodian street food. If you've ever wondered what it's really like to visit Cambodia during the New Year, this is it. Joyful, colourful, and unforgettable. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Would you love to experience Khmer New Year in person? Or maybe you already have. Tell us your favourite part. And if you'd like to support more Cambodia travel content, you can now buy me a coffee. Link is in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope I'll see you in the next adventure from beautiful Cambodia.